exciting. Thank
Alright, let's
you.
go. Check out the arcade. Let's check out the arcade. there a bit. Okay, hold on. Go there a bit, then. That's it? Yeah. You cannot go there back?
Go.
Alright, let's see. Go again then.
Okay, let's just get
How many for? How many for?
13.
Oh, it's only.
Yeah, the last one.
Yeah, that last one. Last one. Never give up. Get the dog this time. Is it good?
Too much. Okay, go there. Let's see. A little bit more maybe. I think that's good, right?
No. Where do we go?
I think that's good, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Doa dulu, doa. Oh yes. No.
No.
Ah.
This is not good for the vending machine. This is not good.
$7 a person over there, and then the family pack is 24 instead of 25.
So let's say only the two.
Yeah, if you want to just sign that real quick, please.
All right, let's go. Let's wait for them.
Yeah, at the bottom is fine, please. Oh, you need this at all?
All right, go ahead, try. Go ahead. That's the hole right there. Okay, Cyan turn. It's okay, take your time. 1 second, Cyan first. Okay, give it a go. Give it a go. Alright, Cyan turn. What's your bowl, Cyan? Are you sure? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's your bowl then.
Slowly, so you can get into the big hole.
Check this out. Saya.
Oliver Mining. Oh, that's interesting.
So that's cool.
Wow, you're mining.
What do we do?
Yeah.
What do we do here?
Don't touch it.
How do you mine here?
Good job. That's what you might guys.
So cool.
Oliver Gemstone Mine. All the stone.
Quick question though, how do you mine like?
You buy one of the mining bags, small or big, and you would dump sand into the sifter, and you'd sip it in the water until you got some gems.
You get the gem. Look, you go. So you're gonna do that.
Yeah, and those up top is what you're gonna get. Well, about what you're gonna get.
See? So you're gonna get that, and then you're gonna put those things into the water.
That's right back.
Yeah, if you can. I mean, what are you gonna get? Like, oh my. See, if you want, you can play tomorrow. Okay?
Later.
Thank you so much.
Have a great night, guys.
Good night.
Nice.
Next area. Whoa, check that out.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.